everyone, welcome back to Valrine's Home and Gardens. Thank you so much for your support on the channel. Now, I have a small list of topics that you guys have asked me to cover, and one of them is how to make a fitted sheet. So in this lesson, I will be doing just that. So let's get started. On the board here, I have a couple of diagrams. The top one here is of a mattress, and it's a queen mattress. What you need to do is measure the length of your mattress and the width of your mattress. Now for this one on the board, the width is 60 inches and the length is 80 inches. Then we need to measure the depth of the mattress. My mattress is 8 inches, so I'll add 8 times 2, and times 2 because we want to account for the right side and the left side. So 2 8s are 16 inches. So we'll add 16 inches to the 60 inches. We'll also need to add 16 inches to the length because we want to account for the head of the bed and the foot of the bed. So this is plus 16. 60 plus 16 is 76 inches. 80 plus 16 is 96 inches. Next, we will need to look at the additional fabric that will be folding under the mattress, because there are some fitted sheets, when you buy them, they barely sit at the edge of the mattress, but we want to make sure that we get enough fabric so that it is well under the mattress and it doesn't keep popping out. Okay, so in order to do that, we'll add 6 inches to our measurements. However, we need to double that 6 inches because we're accounting for the head of the bed, the foot of the bed, and for the width, we're accounting for the left side and the right side. So we'll add a total of 12 inches to the width and a total of 12 inches to the length. So that's going to be 88 inches for the width and 108 inches for the length. This is representing a piece of fabric that is cut to make a fitted sheet. So our length will be 108 inches and our width will be 88 inches. We will need to cut out pieces from the 4 corners of the fabric that we have cut here. And how do we know how much fabric to cut out from the 4 corners? We take the depth of our mattress, which is 8 inches, plus the additional fabric that will be going under the mattress, which is 6 inches. We add them, that gives us 14 inches. So let's do that on the table. I am measuring off 14 inches. I'm going to put a mark. Then over here, I measure 14 inches also. Then I put my mark. Next, I'll take my square. I line up the straight edge along the straight edge of the fabric here, just where the mark is, and I will put my line. I'm using a pencil. You can use tailor's chalk. Then I have a mark over here. I want to draw a line along here. So what I'll do is put my square along the straight edge here, and I'll go ahead and put my mark. However, my square isn't long enough to go all the way so the lines intersect. So I'll just use my yardstick and finish off the lines. I will follow my line with my scissors and just cut this piece of fabric out. This you will do in all four corners. Okay, so the next thing to do is remember right sides together. We will go ahead and we will put the fabric together just like so. Then I'm going to put a few pins in just so it does not shift, and then I'll take it to the sewing machine and stitch along here, and then we'll move on to the next step. The next step is to flat stitch a double hem along the perimeter of your sheet in Makin. However, what I suggest is that you iron a 1-inch hem around the perimeter of your sheet before you stitch. I am doing a double hem, and I find this is the easiest way to do a proper double hem. I'm going to stop right here. So now we have ironed a 1-inch hem. What we're trying to do is make a pocket for our elastic. So I'll go ahead and I'll fold under right back to the line that I pressed in. So essentially I'm making a 1/2 inch pocket. But there is something else you need to know. I just stopped stitching here because for you to be able to get your elastic inside the pocket here, you will need to leave a little gap, and then you start stitching again. And then I'll show you how I put the elastic in. That's enough. Let's move this away. Use a safety pin and you put it onto the end of the elastic, close it, and then find your gap, push the pin in with the elastic. There we go. And you just keep going until you are all the way around your sheet. I hope this lesson is helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Also, leave your thumbs up. And if you know somebody who would use this, who could use this video lesson, please share it with them. If you have watched this video and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscription button, and remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I'll see you in the next video.